Hello everyone, welcome back to the Vintage Model Company SE5a build series. Today we're building the wing of your SE5a kit. Wings are quite essential for making your plane fly, so let's get on with building all four of them. As with the fuselage of the Legends of Flight SE5a kit, we start this section of the build by removing the laser cut pieces from the balsa sheets. Starting with the left panel, several pieces can be identified and organised ready to be assembled. Some of the wing ribs need a little preparation. R4A and R4B are stuck to both sides of wing rib R4. This is to create an opening for the wing struts later on. The wings in this kit sort of jig together, meaning that they can be assembled without glue at first. The ribs can be fitted over the bottom half of the spar before being sandwiched by the top half. Some of the wing ribs may need sanding very slightly. They're laser cut to precision, but the tolerances are extremely tight, meaning that a quick sand can help when it comes to fitting each component. Gently press the top spar down, ensuring that all of the slots in the ribs line up. Next, add the three edges of the wing: the leading edge, the trailing edge, and the wingtip. The wing should now hang together without the need for any glue. Next, you can pin the assembly to the plan. This will ensure that you have everything straight before setting the components in place permanently. Cover the plan in thin plastic or baking paper to prevent the wing from sticking to it. Add the triangular gussets as marked, and then check that the end rib is angled correctly to establish your dihedral angle. You can do this with the dihedral guide piece DG. You could glue this wing panel here, securing it in place, but you should probably wait until you have each wing component finished so that you can check to see that they're all square together. As mentioned in the previous episode of this series, this kit includes wood glue, but you can upgrade to CA glue for a more convenient and rapid gluing process. 5-second CA is great, but the thicker 20-second stuff is also good for certain parts. Next, you can build the right wing panel. This is done in pretty much the same way as you built the first half. Remove all of the necessary components noted in the instructional booklet and then jig them together. Identify and remove the parts needed to build the center section of the wing. Assemble them without glue over the plan and pin them in place. Okay, this is where you put the three wing panels together. Carefully align the wing panels and use the dihedral jigs to prop up each wing half. When all of the wing sections have been aligned, checked and pinned in place, glue the center section and wing panels. With that, you can lift the entire top wing off the plan and start on the bottom two wings. The dihedral jigs are used again, so make sure not to lose them at this stage. The two bottom wings are built much like the top wings. The main difference is that there is no center section as such, rather a short inner stub wing fixes the fuselage. Okay, thanks very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to show your support by clicking that like button down below so more people can find these videos. Subscribe if you're new, of course, and we'll catch you on the next one. See you later.